Welcome dear students. Now in this video we are going to see the previous year GATE questions on the topic sheet metal operations. So let us start. So let us have the 1 mark question first, then we'll go for the 2 marks. So this is one of the question. See, for blanking and piercing operation, the clearance is provided on the ... and the ... respectively. So you know that in punching operation, where we are going to produce the provide the clearance on die, isn't it? And in blanking operation, we are going to provide the clearance on, that we know very well. So fill in the blanks was the question. So for blanking and piercing operation, the clearance is provided on, blanking is first year, so it will be on punch, and in piercing for the die respectively. This is the first question. Next question, wrinkling is a common defect found in. So I hope no any need of option. We know that this is very common defect we can get in the deep drawing operation. This is because of lifting of the sheet produces foldings on the flange portion. Sometimes they are coming or extended up to the wall thickness. So we are having these two types, flange wrinkle and wall wrinkle. So deep drawing operation is the correct answer. Next, in deep drawing of sheets, the values of limiting draw ratio depends upon. See, this limiting draw ratio is definitely depend upon the yield strength of the material. So let us see the option. Percentage elongation of the sheet, no. Yield strength of the sheet, type of press used, thickness of the sheet. So this limiting draw ratio, we seen yesterday what is meant by draw ratio. It is used to determine the number of passes in the deep drawing operation, and it is nothing, it is not a reduction ratio. So for reduction we are having the draw reduction ratio like initial diameter minus final diameter divided by initial diameter, but this is the draw ratio, that is diameter before drawing operation divided by diameter after drawing operation. So this is dependent upon the yield strength of the material. Please remember, the limiting draw ratio is depending upon the yield strength of the material. Next question, the cutting force in punching and blanking operation mainly depends upon. Cutting force in punching and blanking, we have seen F mass is equal to what? Say it's a circular hole, then it is pi times dt times shear strength of the material. So it is depend upon what? Basically on the shear strength of the material. So options are modulus of elasticity, no. The shear strength of the material, yes. And another options are bulk modulus and yield strength. So this force in the sheet metal operation or punching and blanking, it depends upon, is proportional to what? Shear strength of the material. Okay. Next question, the blanking, in blanking operation the clearance is provided on. In blanking operation clearance is provided on. 1 mark question, definitely on the punch. Next question, in progressive die, spring loaded stripper plate is used to clamp the stock until, you know, the spring loaded strippers we are using on the flange portion. These are the spring loaded stripper plates we use for the holding the sheet, and until the when this stripper force is going to act on the sheet, unless the punch go inside the die and until it come out or go to its minimal original position, till that time the stripper force is acting on the plate, unless and until the punch is completely withdrawn from the die. So please remember, we have seen this in the BHF, blank holding force. Okay, so these are the spring loaded strippers. So in progressive die, spring loaded strippers plate is used to clamp the stock. Yes, to clamp the stock. And until what are the options? The punch penetrates twice the stock thickness, then it moves wrinkles on the product edges. No. Automatic feeder plate release it. No. Punch is completely withdrawn from the stock. Yes, unless and until punch completely withdrawn from this die, or which is get separated from the produced cup, this stripper force is acting on the stock. Okay, that is sheet. So definitely option D is correct, that is punch is completely withdrawn from the stock. That time, until that time, the stripper force or stripper plates clamping this stock. Okay, we know that. Next question. A cup of 10 centimeter height and 5 centimeter diameter is to be made from a sheet metal of 2 millimeter thickness. The number of deductions necessary will be. Okay, let us solve this question. A cup of 10 centimeter height of the cup is 10 centimeter, diameter of the cup is 5 centimeter. Okay, and thickness of the plate is 2 millimeter. The number of deductions or the number of passes they are asking. So see here, so here nothing is prescribed about whether you going to use the limiting draw ratio or draw ratio technique, or the second technique that we have seen is the draw reduction ratio technique. So please remember, whenever it is not prescribed in the numerical, that you have to use whether the draw ratio technique or draw ratio method. This is first method we have seen, and second method draw reduction ratio, that is DRR. We have seen this. Okay, but in the numerical nothing is mentioned. So please remember, nothing is mentioned in the question कि क्या यूज करके आपको नंबर ऑफ पासेस निकालने हैं. Then definitely you should go with the draw ratio technique. And I already told you that whenever actually the range of this draw ratio technique from where to where, it is from 1.6 to 2.3, but nothing is mentioned, then that we have to assume that it is equal to this limiting draw ratio will be 2 for that. Okay, so let us calculate first the blank size. How to calculate? Under root of d square plus 4dh. We know that here corner radius is neglected, so nothing to find out for the d by r ratio. Okay, so d is how much? 5 square plus 4 times 5 times height is 10. So root of 25 plus 20 into, it is root of 225 is nothing but 15 centimeter. So blank diameter you got at 15 centimeter, and draw ratio, how much you are assuming? It is 2. So what is draw ratio for one pass? First pass, it is diameter before blanking is blank size, after blanking you are going to get d1. Okay, so first draw में कौन सा डायमीटर मिलेगा देखते हैं. d डिवाइडेड बाय d इज हाउ मच? 15 डिवाइडेड बाय d1 कितना हमने लिया? ड्रॉ रेशियो कितना लिया हमने? थ्रू आउट दी ऑपरेशन नथिंग इज मेंशन, सो 2 ही लेते चले जाएंगे. सो d1 इज इक्वल टू 7.5 centimeter. But whether it is required one? No, it is more than that. So it is greater than how much? You need 5 centimeters, so greater than 5. So this is the first draw. Go for second draw. So d2 will be how much? 7.5 divided by 2. That will be the, say, 3 point something, isn't it? 7.5 divided by 2, you got 3.75. Yes, this is less than or equal to what? 5 centimeter. So definitely you can control the diameter up to 5 centimeter in the second draw. So how many draws you require to get this 5 centimeter cup from the given data? You need 2 passes. You need 2 passes to draw this cup. So options are given there. Let us see. So options are 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 2 is the correct answer. Let us say next question. Wall thickness of drawn cup is controlled by. Question is what? The wall thickness of the drawn cup is controlled by. I already have a discussion about this, that in cup drawing what is going to happen, the material or the side of the wall are getting increased, whereas the thickness at the bottom is come down. Okay, because the radial flow of the material, this is going to happen. So to eliminate this, what we are going to do, we are providing the clearance slightly less than the thickness of the sheet. So if this is the thickness of the sheet, so we are going to provide the clearance lesser than that, is known as the ironing effect. Is going to reduced. Okay, so ironing, we are going to squeeze that vertical walls of the cup. Okay, so wall thickness of the drawn cup, in that by using this ironing effect you can able to control the wall thickness. So that is nothing but the ironing effect. So options are deep drawing, reverse drawing, redrawing and ironing. So ironing से ही हम क्या करते हैं, कंट्रोल करते हैं पूरे thickness of sheet को. Next question. In bending operation, if the modulus of elasticity is increased, keeping all other parameters unchanged, the spring back will be keeping all the parameters unchanged. If we what, increase the modulus of elasticity, they are saying increasing the modulus of elasticity. So we know that actually the modulus of elasticity and this spring back effect are inversely proportional. If you are increasing this modulus of elasticity, spring back is going to decrease. We have the formula for spring back is what? R final divided by R initial, that is nothing but our spring back, is equal to what? 4 times Ri divided by Et into sigma y bracket cube minus 3 times Ri divided by Et into sigma y plus 1. So please remember this Rf by Ri is inversely proportional to the modulus of elasticity. So when it goes on decreasing, the spring back is going to, when it is increasing na, the modulus of elasticity increase हो रहा है तो क्या होगा, the spring back is going to decrease. Yes, options are increase, decrease, remains unchanged and independent of E. So you can see here, if you increase this, the spring back is going to decrease. Next question. In blanking operation, the best way to improve the smoothness and the squareness of the edge is to, okay, so this is very easy. In blanking operation, the best way of improving the smoothness and squareness of the edge is option A, have reduced a gap between the punch and die. B, increase the ductility of the sheet. Option C, decrease the speed of blanking. And option D, provide the shear on the punch. So only thing is that we have to reduce the gap between the punch and die, then and then only we can able to improve the surface smoothness and squareness. Next question. The function of the draw bead in the deep drawing operation is, we know for what reason we are making these draw beads, that is semicircular holes we are grooving on the flange portion of the die. So to eliminate the wrinkling defect, yes or no? We have seen the remedies for removing the wrinkling defect. One is we can use the blank holding force, or second we can have the draw beads. Okay, so the options are produce a balance between among the stretching and drawing. Option B, produce a circular groove on a flange. Actually this is the technique to provide the draw bead. Produce a circular groove on the flange. Option C, reduce the drawing load. Option D, reduce the wrinkle on the planes. So wrinkles on the planes are reduced by using this draw bit. And we see what is the diameter of draw bit, generally 13 millimeter to 20 millimeter. We have seen this. Next question. For 50% penetration of the work material, a punch with a single shear equal to thickness will, okay, what is given? Penetration is given, that is 50% is given, and the shear is how much? And they are providing the shear I is equal to thickness, whereas penetration K is equal to 50%. And they are asking the what will happen about the punch load. Okay, so we know that we have seen this special case, that is FB is equal to what? You know, F max KT divided by KT plus I. So FB is the force after provision of shear, definitely it is going to reduce, is equal to K is how much? 0.5 into thickness is nothing but that much amount we are providing the shear, that is F max into F max divided by 0.5 into thickness is how much? T plus I is equal to thickness. So क्या होगा लोड के साथ देखो, so 0.5 into T times F max divided by this 0.5 T plus T, that is 1.5 T. Okay, so 0.5 divided by 1.5, how much? T get cancelled, it is 0.33 times. So how much load is getting reduced? Around 67% load getting reduced. So that is clear to you.